thought everything, okay, I got Jesus on the inside. I got my prayer partners. I got my church family. Everything cool now. Everything's going to be perfect. Well, the devil is a lie. Everything's not going to be perfect. Paul tells us this, and Peter, he says, beloved, do not think it strange concerning the fiery trial which is to try you.
Yeah.
As though some strange thing happening to you.
Come on.
In essence, he's saying, don't be surprised when things come up against your life and come up against your family and come up against your finances, come up against your car. Don't you be surprised by these strange encounters, these strange things that's happening in your life. It's necessary to try your faith. They're equipped to build you up and not tear you down. Now, don't be surprised when you made a good investment you thought and now it's turned bad and now you don't have no money at all. Don't you be surprised when your car was working good yesterday, now you get in the car and you need brakes, you need a tune-up, you might need a new engine. Don't you be surprised if you go into work one day and they tell you, I'm going to have to let you go. Oh, don't you be surprised when things like that come up against you, when friends turn their backs on you. Don't be surprised.
That's good.
Don't be surprised as a Christian, and oftentimes we get surprised. Like the devil is doing this to us. And then we wanna rebuke the devil when maybe God allowed that thing to happen, to try your faith. Or maybe God allowed that to happen so your faith can grow. Faith grows, I've discovered, under pressure. You find out what you're really made of under pressure. You find out how much love you really have in your heart under pressure. Or you find out if somebody messes with your kids, you find out what's really in you.
Come on now.
Don't let nobody mess with your kids.
Come on now. Got that right.
That's the man Jesus died for. I mean, you just instantly switch. Don't get on in a minute, man. You be ready to beat somebody up. But you find out what's really on the inside of you when strange things come up against your life.